Hello, it's me, off-brand Chris. The other Chris couldn't make it today because the other Chris had to do something which he didn't tell anybody about. So we got me, Other Bendy. I hope you enjoy.
Chris went to do oral butt stuff, that's why he's not here.
What the hell? File. Oh.
What you guys talking about?
Whistler.
Oh, hell no, I'm out of here.
Okay, that's how no, it's not Chris.
What the fuck? How did he do that? How does he do that? Oh my god.
Oh,
there you go.
brother, this guy stinks!
Where the fuck's he go?
I went right through your face before.
God, no.
I just got a face full of goddamn.
Over again. David. David.
No!
David.
Don't touch me!
David. Chris is not here, so I have to take his place.
Don't touch me, please. Don't
Most enthusiastic death I think I've ever heard. Alright, should we try? Oh, for fuck's sake!
What?
Take our gas, James. What fell again?
The fan.
I have to
Now kiss the bird!
I'll fuck her up then.
No! Him!
I mean, no. Chippers, we don't do that. David, look at my left hand. Look at my left hand. That's what I'm gonna be doing to your cock. Squeezing the fucking shit out of that thing. That's right. Feel intimidated now, sexually harassed. I sure do.
I'm gonna put posters on Facebook Crime Watch.
Jacko. Jacko.
What the fuck is you on Facebook?
Where did he go? When did he leave?
He left ages ago.
Harrison, did you not see what this motherfucker just threatened me with?
No, what?
I'm gonna fucking put you on Facebook Crime Watch. Facebook Crime Watch,
Man, this kid is very zesty.
I'll show you who's zesty in a minute. I don't last long. Get off the pillar. I'll climax before we hit the ground. I'm coming. I'm coming, motherfucker. I'm coming. You're not going down alone, motherfucker. I'm coming. Where do you think you're going? Oh, you sad sack of shit.
Oh.
How am I supposed to get all the way back up there? Oh, here.
This.
Think they're up yet?
I'll be honest, you actually scared me.
Jump! Do it! Do it!
Oh. I'm afraid about. Fuck!
That was when I ruled the world. And give him a second.
Oh. Oh no.
He's
not dead. Kick him! Kick him, James, he's not dead!
Editing me, I want you to do a bit over that. Don't know what. You choose. You choose the bit.
Oh, he's gone.
And now he comes
Oh.
back. Red soul
Okay.
intensifies. Whoa, whoa, bro, whoa.
Whoa!
Let me show you how you look, bro. Let me show you how you look. Get up there. And there he goes. I was gonna go. That works too. Where'd he go? He's taking too long.
How about you suck my ball? Nothing else.
Like a puppet on a puppet show. Hi guys, welcome to our next new puppet. I've come to tell you about the story of chlamydia and how it causes fatal deaths. Too bad, everybody who was doing this rehearsal died from chlamydia. So we're all fucked. I hope you know chlamydia is a serious issue, and I do not take it as a laughing matter.
I'm so glad I'm recording.
Me too, Bucko.
Oh boy, we were talking about chlamydia? Oh boy, tell the fans at home how bad it is. It's a real bag of cheese, ladies and gentlemen. You can't want to get chlamydia. See, if you get chlamydia, you'll like my friend here, Chris. His eyes got ripped out when he was a kid. Hard by comparison.
Wait, what?
Anyway, now that he's gone into the go-away zone forever, never mind, he's now a zombie. So just wait. Anyway, now that he looks like he's sucking cum. Now that he's dead, I'm probably good forever. That means I can talk to you more about AIDS. Now, okay, that one is not that bad. Anyway, now that my friend's been taken care of, I'll talk to you about
I'm back for my revenge, bitch. Magic
No.
word.
Oh, buddy, I have no joke.
I'm Chriso, the depressed suicidal man. So where can a guy get a drink around here? You like put your arm over the fucking front like, where can a guy get a drink around here? One, two,
2,
three, 4,
5, 6,
7, 8, 9,
10, 11, 12,
11,
13,
12,
14, 15,
13,
16,
and he's up. And he's dead.
We did it. We helped the man exercise his
He's
forearms
back.
today.
Fuck.
I can see the middle fingers.
I can hear you dying of laughter midway through.
When he's pulling up, I can just see the middle fingers.
That's not by choice, it just fucking happened. Oh shit.
Harrison, I have an idea. Hold
I
on.
want to say Deltarune shit, but I'd be spoilers. Oh
Hold
shit.
on, I have an idea. No, stay down here. Stay down here. I have an idea. Hello, boys and girls. Now, today we're going to be cooking. I got a frying pan here filled with all sorts of delicious and wonderful food. My lovely assistant
will wait until I finally finish talking, and when... Give me a second, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, now that he's dealt with, I can talk to you about all the lovely things that I can do, like this cookbook that I just conjured up a few seconds ago. Anyway, like that cookbook I conjured up just a... You know, I'll be right back, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, now that my sex slave, I mean assistant, is gone and dead. Now that my unconscious body is now dead, I can now talk to you about the wonderful things about astrology. I don't give a fuck that I spend
If you're listening, can you please send help?
Anyway, I'm the kindness soul. Ironic, isn't it? Anyway, so I'm here to talk to you about all the lovely things you can fake, such as human remains. Why are you looking at me like that? Yeah. Eat what we made. Yeah. Anyway,
You sucking dick
see
down
all
there.
the lovely things we bring to you at home. Is there anything you would like to say for us down here, sir? As you can see, our lovely assistants love helping us here. We even give them cotton candy. Voluntarily, trust. You fuck shit. Anyway, as I was saying, I have run out of gags, so I'm just going to straight up say AIDS. Because
When's my
AIDS are a
paycheck?
lot... Next week.
In this guy, I won't get paid for another week.
You, sir, in the back, you sound hungry. Would you like some food?
No, I
May
just
or may
have
not
one
contain
stuff.
human remains. That's some smart talking for that person in the crowd. Fuck it, I can't be asked anymore. I quit my job. There's a replacement in now.
I got nothing.
Seems I've been recently employed back again, under some understandable circumstances.
So he won't be coming back for a long time.
You know what? I'm gonna break the fourth wall for you kids. I'm not even a puppet. I'm actually a human guy. They cut off my limbs, amputated me.
You're a furry.
I'll be right back.
It's behind the truth! It's the truth! It's the truth!
Anyway, my lovely assistant has recently passed away under unforeseen circumstances, so I don't think he'll be coming back anytime soon. He got HIV from fucking a hooker in the back street. You know, there was this really weird guy. I think he ended up fucking. It was a gay hooker. I think he was called David. David. I don't know who his full name was, but it was.
You're basically kissing each other.
What I said is my deceased assistant is secretly my long-lost gay lover. And he's just committed to single and lonely for the rest of my life.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, he's really good. And I've gone. Shit. No. Shit. No, I'm fine. I'm fuck.
This show fucking sucks.
Fuck.
He's really struggling, man. Man, this guy's a fucking spy, you know what I mean? You can't even climb. But there we go.
What were you saying about me not climbing? What did you just say about my voice? How did you do it?
Oh, shit.
I'm gonna shove that hook and curl it up inside your asshole so it hits your prostate.
Let me ascend for...
Nope, get the hell back down here!
Let me ascend forth.
You're having fun, aren't you?
Let me ascend forth.